From the MaxTester home screen, launch the EXFO Exchange application. Select the option to authorize from another device. A one-time use authorization code will be generated. You can also use the QR code to quickly navigate to the activation page on your smartphone. Open your internet browser and navigate to the EXFO Exchange activation page. Use the email address and password associated to your EXFO Exchange account to sign in. Enter the 8-digit activation code and click Submit. Once your account is confirmed, go back to your MaxTester and wait for the activation to complete. You are now ready to start using EXFO Exchange on your MaxTester. To know more about EXFO Exchange, please visit docs.exfoexchange.com.